I like trains.
Hello everyone, got an eastbound Point of Rocks. M276 with the Pere Marquette Heritage Unit, 1899 leading. Second time I've seen it. I felt like going out tonight, even though it's very late. And I think that turned out decent. Not as good as the time I chased on the old main, but hey. But yeah, this is M276 loaded autorack train. Been a while since I've seen an autorack train. Mainly because I really haven't been able to go out for many trades aside from the old main. Intermodal and an autorack on CSX, I'll take it. Yeah. CPKC, CN. Maybe we'll see a Conrail tonight. Tell you what would be really nice if we saw like a Burlington Northern, but those are really getting tough to see these days. But yeah, this is the last train. This is the train I really went for. Even though the other two were pretty good as well, especially 371. Now, because both units were facing forward, there's a chance that 1899 could be leading on M277 as well, but I don't know, man. Good old graffiti. M276, which by the way, guess I'll use this as a PSA. M276, I believe goes all the way to Philadelphia now. It has taken M216 and M217's route because, unfortunately, those two trains have been abolished. We now have 276 and 277, and another strange one, M279. Oh, that's a new Faramex. That's a new Faramex scheme. M279. That one starts in Baltimore, but it doesn't have an eastbound counterpoint, which is really odd. Or maybe it does, but it doesn't go through this area. But yeah, 216, 217 are gone for now. Who knows if they're going to come back? They might. But that means we have no old mainline autorack trains. Erase! Oh, the graffiti on this 276 is very interesting. Yep, he's taking the Met. Late night. I am doing this in January, but it's actually kind of mild. It's in the 40s. Very nice. Very little wind. Nice rail fending temperature for night. Up. Crossings are no longer going off, so video is almost over, guys. Here's the last car coming up. 1899 Pere Marquette leading M276 here at Point of Rocks. And as this last car passes here at Point of Rocks Station in Point of Rocks, Maryland, this is the old main guy signing off. Everyone watch this video. Have a great day, wherever you may be.